What's going on, guys? This is Sam, and today I want to show you 3 new features that Google has recently added into the YouTube app for iOS, although I believe these are present on Android as well. There wasn't actually a YouTube app update necessary to get these, or a hard version that went out. These were all software updates that apparently happened server side. The first one, not sure if it will help or hurt my channel, but probably good for all of you guys. The feature allows you to set a time limit for when you should be taking a break whenever you're watching videos. Now, it is disabled by default, but if you head over to YouTube, tap on your little profile icon in the top right hand corner of the screen and then tap on settings right here. Right here under YouTube it says remind me to take a break. Now by default, like I said, it is set to never, but you can set every 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 60, 90, or even 180 minutes. It seems like there should be an option for 120. It's just sort of not here right now, so maybe it will be added in the future. But if you ever find yourself spending too much time on YouTube, or you just want to ensure that you're not watching for more than 15, 30, 60, 90, or 180 minutes at a time, you can enable that now. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this down below in the comment section. I did not see this coming from Google, but we're hearing at WWDC 2018 from Apple that Apple is going to introduce some new features, some new parental control like options that suggest maybe you shouldn't be looking at your phone for X amount of minutes or X amount of hours at a time. I don't know if I see myself ever using this on my device, but let me know down below in the comment section if you think you watch YouTube too much and feel that you need to be reminded every so often to take a break and maybe do something else. There's also 2 other features that YouTube recently added that are definitely a little bit more useful, at least from my perspective. If you scroll down just a little bit and tap on notifications, at the very top you can enable a scheduled digest. So rather than getting all your notifications sporadically when new YouTube channels upload, you can get them all at the same time once a day, and then you can tap on it to actually customize the time that you will receive all these notifications. You can actually customize it down to like the exact minute, but you can select any one of the 24 hours in the day of when you want to receive this digest, of when you want to get notifications for all your recently published videos in your subscriptions feed, rather than receiving them individually. Personally, I like to receive them individually, so I don't find this super useful, but I totally get if you have a ton of subscriptions and you don't want to get notifications every other minute, this could be a very useful option. The last new feature that YouTube has introduced inside of the YouTube app is at the very bottom of this page. It was enabled by default, so I have a feeling that this is enabled for everyone, but it's going to disable sound and vibrations from YouTube notifications between certain hours of the day. On my phone, it was enabled between 10 p.m. and 8 a.m., but if you don't go to bed that early, you can set 11 p.m. or even go up to something like midnight, 12 a.m., 1 a.m., 2 a.m., and then also set an end time for when you want to like turn off the do not disturb functionality and start receiving notifications again. I see this being especially useful if you're subscribed to a lot of YouTubers that live outside of your time zone or even your country, because if you're sleeping and it's 3 a.m. but that's someone else's 3 p.m. like it is right now when I'm recording this video, it could definitely be really annoying to have your phone vibrate or make sound, and do not disturb on iOS already would prevent that from happening, but if you don't have DND enabled system-wide, you could enable DND just inside of the YouTube app, and I think this will make both creators and viewers a lot happier because they won't be getting notifications when they don't want to get notifications. Those are all the new features that YouTube has added inside of the YouTube app recently, but they do have a very interesting metric coming soon. They are going to give you a time watched profile to help you understand how much time you're watching YouTube. And this could either be a really good thing to make you feel really great about yourself, or a really bad thing to make you question why you're watching YouTube this much, or why you're spending this much time on a mobile device, on a tablet, on a computer, on a TV watching videos. I'm very excited to see my usage because I don't exactly know how many hours a day I watch YouTube. Some days it seems like it's just a couple of minutes, other days it can be hours, and it gets a little bit ridiculous and out of hand sometimes. So I look forward to that metric coming soon in the future. But as of right now, that is everything new inside of the YouTube app in May of 2018. If you enjoyed watching this video, if it helped you out, if you learned something new, make sure to drop a like. That would be incredible. And of course, hit subscribe for more videos like this in the future. If you'd like to help support the channel, you can head over to shop.iupdateos.com. Use code MAY for 5% off your order all month. That would be fantastic. For now, I've been Sam. I hope all of you are doing great, and I will talk to you in my next video.